Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Infinite Lotus March subscription box. So I am very excited to see what's inside. I haven't seen any spoilers yet, so this is all gonna be new for me. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in this month's box. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into what's inside. So let's start with the dashboard. So there is the floating bubbles, and I will try, there we go, floating bubbles, and it says March monthly, cleaning habits, and then monochrome flow. So here are the dashboards that come with the box. So the cleaning makes sense. I'm assuming these are the pairings. So let's do this. And these are actually really cute dashboards. I love that Infinite Lotus is like incorporating newer dashboards, but it's still them, right? Like this just screams Infinite Lotus because it's so neutral and still kind of like their aesthetic. So we have these. And then for planner inserts, I'm seeing a theme. We have the annual cleaning, which I'm gonna assume is this. Weekly cleaning. Ooh, a task list. And then a movie log. That one's actually kind of random, but I'm excited because we actually just came back from the movies. So here is the cleaning routine. So on this one, you have annual chores in the year. You have January through December. Then you can break everything down by semi-annual chores. And then it breaks it up into pretty much half year. So January through June, and then July through December. And then you have quarterly chores, which go into Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. And then on the back, you actually have your monthly chores chart and then a checklist. So this is actually really nice to just reference throughout the year. I'm actually gonna put this in my, oh, sorry guys, it's blurry. I'll put this for sure. Actually, I'm probably gonna put everything inside of my planner. So we'll have this. And then I do have the personal size. Next up is the weekly cleaning. So this one we have week of up top. And then it goes into daily chores, and then it breaks it down into the week. And then you just have a general list down here as well with notes on the side. And then this is front and back. So it's a week on one page. So it's the exact same layout on the back. So this is actually pretty nice, since that means typically I think there's like 15 inserts. So that's 30. So that gives you, I think, like pretty much like a good amount to use these. And then same with the annual, right? Like you just need one pack, and then I think you're set for these. So those are the two main cleaning ones. Then we have the task list. So this one has a blank line up top. So if you want to categorize it, you can. I don't know why my camera is having troubles focusing. You have your tasks, and then when it is due, and then if it is done. So I don't know if you just want to put like a progress tracker there, because there's also a little checklist, or maybe you can use this to like color code. But there's options there. And then it is front and back. So same template, front and back. And then last one is a movie log. So it looks a lot like the restaurant log that came, I think, in one of the first few boxes. So we have date, title and notes, and then rating. And then it is front and back as well. So we have the inserts, and then that is everything that I think usually comes with the main box. So the Deluxe, you get accessories. So you get an accessory pack, as well as this one comes with a daily plan notepad, and then reminder sticky notes, and it's a new style, as well as a uni pin fine liner. And these are actually really nice because you can write on any type of like sticky note with these, which I really like. So I think these are pretty popular. So we have this one. Here is the reminder. So nice and blank. And then here is the daily plan. So here we have date, 3 priorities, and then tasks, and then notes. And then let's go ahead and open up the accessory pack and see what is in this. Okay, so you have your March intentions, and this is really cute. So it matches the theme. So you have those bubbles there. And then you have your March longer planner card. And then you have your matching planner cards that align with the March intentions. So clean and refresh, enjoy leisure moments, refresh my wardrobe. And then your matching planner cards go with these as well. So I'm gonna go with wardrobe, clean and refresh, enjoy leisure moments. I don't know if that's how it's intended, but that's just kind of like how I see them pairing. So that is the accessory pack, and then that is everything that came in the box. So I really like this. I'm probably going to use actually everything in this box. So there's been some boxes where I haven't used everything, but for the most part I use majority of the inserts. So I'm going to grab my medium ring agenda and we will add everything in here. Alright, so I just realized I'm in the middle of a planner switch, so y'all are actually going to get a sneak peek of my new medium ring setup. I'm in the middle of my end of month flips being posted, and so I believe the last video on my channel was actually the medium ring flip. So y'all saw the last version of that layout, and I do have a video filmed and it's gonna come up probably later this week, probably this weekend, or if not closer to the weekend, of this new setup. So I'll go into details on that, but I did move things around a little bit in here. So again, I guess this is also technically a sneak peek as we put in some things. So I have this new notes and lists section, which this is gonna go under. And I, like I mentioned, am making some changes when it comes to my like planning setup, of which, you know, no surprise there if you follow me. The biggest change though is that this is going to be more of like a reference planner, and so I'm not going to have like an overview or main agenda. If I do, it's technically going to be my Mulberry, since that's my schedule planner, but I'm not going to call it that. I'm just going to call it my schedule planner, and I'm just going with, I don't really have like an overview planner right now because that's kind of not what I need. So yeah, we can get into all that. I get into all that in another video. But let's go ahead and add in the new items. So this is again the notes in this section. I have it divided by everything. So one thing I want to call out is that I'm still going to keep this subscription box from 8LOTUS because I love it, and I'm still going to keep it as my medium ring because the style inserts that we're getting in the box, I prefer these in the personal size, since this is still going to be reference. So as of right now, I have no intentions of changing the size of my box. Just because I like everything coming in. And then as y'all have seen, if I do like things in the box, I get it from my other planners, my A5 or my A6. So still gonna have the personal size, still intend on putting everything in here and actually using it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So I have this new section. So we're just gonna add these cleaning habits dashboards. So we have the new vellum and then that bubble dashboard. I need to find a new way to like organize this that isn't my little sticky notes that I created. But again, that's gonna be a different video. Now we'll add the annual chore list. So here it is out of the packaging. We're just gonna add one for now. And then I'm adding 2 sheets of the cleaning routines, the weekly version, so that way it's 1 month, and we're just gonna try it out for the month of March. I love that it's like spring cleaning related, right? Like with March, it makes sense to do like the cleaning box / organization box. I also really like the task list because I feel like this should actually probably go up front somewhere. Ooh, you know what? I'm keeping the cleaning together. So we have, like I said, the weekly and then the annual. And then here is what the cleaning habits looks like in here. And then for the task list, I'm actually going to use this for content. So another spoiler alert, this is now my content section, and which has been in this planner, that's not new. This is my like ideas for content or things that just pop up, or requests. I actually throw more requests on there than anything. And so the task list I think will be perfect for when I'm doing content creating, because there's a lot of different tasks, and that way if I want to make like a due date or something, I can keep it in here. So I really like it like that. So we're gonna keep that in there. I think for now I'm gonna save the movie log until I add in like the restaurant log and things like that. I more so want to get like a better, since this is a newer setup, I more so want to focus on getting this organized before I add in more inserts. The cleaning makes sense because it's all list related, but before I start putting in logs, kind of want to like get a system going in here. So we have those, let's see. trying to see if there's a spot for this dashboard. Maybe not. Or maybe we could just put this in the schedule content or the schedule section and separate these. So I'll put this here. And then that way I know like the tasks are for March and then it's somewhat separated this way. And that way we can see what these look like. I'll switch out my cards, my planner cards, a little bit closer to the month. If I decide to put them in this planner, I might keep the March intentions in my Mulberry, since that is going to be where all my scheduling is. So here is what these two look like in here, and I really like how these two pair. I also just really love this dashboard, so I want to find like a place to put it. So we have those, and then I think that's everything. I do want to see and potentially add, here's the daily plan notepad. So I love putting notepads in my planners, and this looks like it'll actually fit. Oh yeah, that's happening. Yeah, so the intentions aren't going there. I'm gonna leave the daily plan notepad probably in here. We're gonna remove these now. And then let's add in this March card. We're just gonna put it below, but yeah, I like that. That's a perfect fit in the medium ring. And then it'll be a little bulky, which I'm fine with. So there we have it. And I love chunky planners. All right. I know some people frown upon this. I know some people love a chunky planner. I don't have that many inserts in here, so it actually fits perfectly. Like, it's not stretching it out too much. But yeah, I really like this. So we're gonna keep it like this. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. That is the Infinite Lotus March subscription box, how I'm using these, and then I'll update y'all during my end of month flips, normal content on how I'm using these inserts. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching.